Hey guys, today I have a review for you guys on some SHEGLAM makeup. These are very affordable and amazing. And this is the Wild Heart collection. They are inspired by different wild animals and they actually are making a donation. I think it's like $50,000 to a donation to the IFAW, if I'm not mistaken. I will have more information down below, as well as links to all these palettes and also a coupon code if you're interested to get these even more cheaper. They are very, very affordable, and I do feel like you get your money's worth because they are very affordable. And we're gonna go ahead and jump in. So first palette that we're gonna talk about is this one from the Wild Heart collection. This is the Ruby-Throated Hummingbird. It's really cool that they have all the information here on the back. For example, this one is inspired by the Ruby-Throated Hummingbird. It is one of the world's most endangered species. This palette does wonders and has rich reds, greens, blues. These are 100% vegan, cruelty free, and the cardboard packaging is biodegradable too. So really, really overall win-win for this. Absolutely love the whole concept and what it is supporting as well. So if you're into supporting animals and just love the concept, I definitely highly recommend this. So this is the Ruby-Throated Hummingbird and this is the color palette for it. These are absolutely just beautiful, tropical, absolutely gorgeous. I love that the mattes are very buildable. I love the fact that the shimmers are as well just absolutely gorgeous. I'll go ahead and just swatch one so you guys can see. Very pigmented and gorgeous. Some of them I will have to say that you have to work around it a little bit. What I do with some of these shimmers is that I either apply them with my finger or a natural hairbrush and they pick up better like that. So that is the gorgeous Hummingbird. Next up is the Viva La Leopard. This one actually came broken when it arrived, but this is the Amor Leopard, another one of the endangered species, and this is the color story. Look how beautiful that is. Just absolutely beautiful, neutral, but it also has like a oomph to it. I love the marble shade that's in there and the shimmers in here as well. Just a absolutely beautiful palette. Next up is the Flutter Effect, and this is by inspired by the Papilio Palinuros butterfly, and it just has these gorgeous vibrant blues and greens. I use quite a few of the greens in here and absolutely just love them. The mint green in here is absolutely beautiful as well. The shimmers apply like a dream. And I also love the fact that all the names on these palettes in the front represent the animal itself as well. So for example, this one is called like Blue Cocoon, Fly Girl, Just Wing It, you know, really cute things like that. Next up is the Fin Within, and this is, I know I'm gonna mispronounce this. This is the Pseudothias hawaiianus fish, and very tropical colors. And let's go ahead and see what this baby looks like. I absolutely love this palette. If you're into glitters, this one actually has 4 pressed glitters and they apply beautifully. You just pat them on top of any look and they are stunning. Very, very gorgeous. This one, the glass flipper, is one of my favorite ones. It's just the shades in here are kind of like iridescent, and the glitter is a little bit more on the chunky side. And just really, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that, but it looks so stunning on top of any eye look. And this one just has a lot of bright, fun, tropical colors. And then the last one is the only one that I haven't dabbed into, and this is the Wolf Calls, and this is for the Arctic wolf, and this one is more on the cool side. It is a grayish blue palette. Let me know if you guys want any kind of looks using any of these. I will post them on my Instagram. I also will be posting, you know, up close of the palettes and doing different flat lays over there, so if you want to follow me over there. But let me know if you also want get ready with me's here on my channel. I will be doing more get ready with me's. You guys seem to really like them, and I feel like it's a good way of not only using new stuff but using stuff that's already in my collection as well. I thought maybe I could just do maybe a theme and talk about something at the same time of doing my makeup or something along those lines. We'll see how it goes. But overall, these palettes are absolutely stunning, very affordable, absolutely beautiful. And I'm gonna just go ahead and jump into a little tutorial using some of these so you guys can actually see the application and this look that I did using it. For the try on portion, I think I'm gonna do just a very simple mint kind of monochromatic look and see how it goes from there. So the first shade I'm gonna go into is going to be, I think I'm gonna play with both of these palettes and try to like mix and match some of these. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna go into is from the Forever Feather, and I'm gonna go into Next Best Thing, which is this beautiful brown, and we're just gonna lightly put that all over our crease. And then on the outer part of the eye, I think I'm gonna just go into this Forever Forest, and this is from the Flutter Effect. And we're just gonna pack that onto the outer edge of our eye, and hopefully this will all come together. Then I'm gonna go back into the Forever Feather, and I'm going to use Perch Up, which is this gorgeous orange, and apply that to the center of the lid. And if you guys want individual looks like get readies with me using these palettes, let me know, because I really want to get into like a get ready with me, especially now when August comes. My son is going to be going to school, which at least I will have the mornings to be able to start filming more. I know I don't hardly get any views, to be honest with you guys, but I enjoy actually making the videos. So whoever enjoys watching them, then they can watch them. Then to have some fun, I'm gonna put in from the Fin Within this bright yellow that's right here on the inner corner. So, yes, he's pretty. Underneath the lash line from the Forever Feather, which is the little hummingbird, I think I'm gonna go in with this gorgeous green, and it's called Bird's the Word. Bird's the Word, word. And I'm not gonna take it all the way in. I'm gonna leave a little space for the yellow, because I'm gonna bring that yellow down here as well. And I'm gonna pop a bright green in my waterline, and then apply lashes and see how this turned out. Hopefully I don't look like a crazy person. Ooh, I like it. Very tropical. I'm gonna change my earrings, put some lashes. The lashes that I'm gonna use are Gia from SHEGLAM, and I'll be right back. So overall, I have to say I absolutely love SHEGLAM. They've been so kind to me to send me some of their collections. And aside from that, I had already bought some of their products. If you guys haven't seen that video, I will try to post it down below or a card up here. I did a full face of SHEGLAM, and the majority were things that I bought, including their foundation, their powder, concealer, and the whole 9 yards. So you guys, if you want to see that, you can go over there and see that one as well. Let me know if you guys have tried any of their palettes, what your thoughts are. Like I said, some of these are, you know, you have to work with it a little bit more than others, but overall I feel like you are definitely getting your money's worth, especially because these are probably like less than $10. I think they're around like $7, and most of the time you get coupon codes and can get it for even more cheaper. And to get a 12 pan palette for that amount, you know, it's very hard nowadays to find something so affordable and good quality as well. So let me know what you guys think. Overall, I definitely like and enjoy their products. And yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.